ChatGPT has been progressing over the world enormously, leaving everything behind. People and big companies started using and integrating this artificial intelligence into their routine tasks. Still, Microsoft, a company investing a lot into ChatGPT, has announced that GPT-4 is already here. Welcome to Galore Techs, where today we'll talk about the newcomer GPT-4, which will soon envelop the technology sector. Subscribe and stay tuned. Features of GPT-4. Andreas Braun, CTO of Microsoft Germany, during an event, stated that ChatGPT and GPT-3 GPT-4 were reporting many problems in the smooth working of Bing, so a better version was needed. Both the previous versions were slow in the generation of results. During a meeting with a German news website Heise, the chief technology officer of Microsoft said that now we are working on multimodal models with different possibilities, like the generation of videos. A multi-mode will be available for interaction with the system. These multi-modules can get information from several sources while solving user queries through video, images, or a song. One of the key features of this version is video generation. GPT-4 will have video features, making Bing more advanced and introducing more possibilities. Last month, OpenAI announced they are working on a ChatGPT mobile app powered by GPT for AI technology. Apart from allowing the users to generate videos, this model will also be faster than GPT-3 GPT-4. GPT-4 will generate answers that resemble those generated by humans, and all these changes will also be added to the Bing chat. Microsoft is investing millions in this new venture, so it is expected that it will not take long for GPT-4 to be integrated into Bing. Braun hinted at it but didn't specify when it would happen. GPT-3 could produce snippets of code, but now GPT-4 can now write entire programs of code in under 1 minute. One example was a recent developer asking it to create a Flappy Bird counterpart and train an AI to play it. GPT-4 was able to implement a DQN algorithm that started immediately training to play the game. GPT-4 will take the world in storm with its ability to generate video and more human-like answers. What do we know so far about GPT-4? Besides these enormous abilities, GPT-4 will answer queries faster than the previous version. This viral chatbot was first released in 2022 by a San Francisco-based AI company and has progressed enormously. It has 100 million active users and has taken to popular social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram within 6 months to 3 years, respectively. What are the differences between GPT-3 and GPT-4? Apart from improving the human mimic system and speed patterns, GPT-4 will be able to do language translation, summarization of texts, and other such tasks in versatile and portable ways. The softwares trained to be operated by GPT-4 will be able to infer users' intentions accurately and responsibly, reducing all types of errors. Some other differences include more power on a smaller scale. GPT-4 will be slightly bigger than the previous GPT version, and the newer model is built to reduce misconceptions. Here, bigger means that GPT-4 will rely more on the machine learning parameters while doing any assigned task. Despite being larger than the previous neural networks, Microsoft has cleared that size is not related to any kind of performance. The latest language software solutions have incredibly dense models that are 3 times larger than GPT-3. However, the bigger size is not related to high code performance, and smaller systems experience a much better code of conduct. These small units also reduce the cost of carbon footprints, computing costs, and entry barriers. An improvement in steerability. GPT-4 will improve the steerability of its application. This refers to the ability to change its behavior according to the requests of the user. For instance, you can order it to change its tone of voice or style of writing with choice wording. Try starting a prompt with, "You are a terse scientist," and asking it to explain a science concept. It also has better adherence to parameters, so it's more inclined to not complete illegal or sleazy requests. Size optimization. Model performance was mainly affected by size for a very long time. This has led many large companies, including Google, Microsoft, and Facebook, to spend large amounts of the capital on building the biggest systems. However, this method didn't consider the amount of data the models were being fed. All this made scientists agree that GPT does not need to be large to be more powerful, and its optimization is based on the variables such as high-quality data. If hyperparameters, optimal model-sized and accurate parameters are kept in mind, then incredible developments can surely be obtained. Impact on software creation. GPT will also affect the software development industry by helping developers create new software programs. This way, the bulk of repetitive manual programming can be done quickly. The average internet user may not notice any change after its implementation. Still, some vast businesses will be able to generate content at blinding speed, allowing all kinds of tasks to be done by AI. They will generate content in an autonomous capacity, saving time and money. GPT can go with any input you provide, so its practical implementations are beyond our thinking. Importance of GPT. GPT-3 and GPT-4 are the precursors of crucial advancements in language models. Adapting GPT-3 through various applications has proved its intense interest and continued adaptation potential. GPT-4 will make things more versatile and fascinate users, as these models can alter our communication with the robots and can also aid in interpreting natural language. Are you fascinated by this new scientific achievement? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech videos. Thanks for watching.